So this time we are going to draw this cute looking cloth bow, and let's start with the drawing. We're going to start with the center piece of cloth that binds all the pieces of cloth, and then moving ahead, drawing both the sides of the bow and a double bow, and then the two ribbon like cloths going downwards. Now the embroidery on this, I want to take a little bit of it, but maybe not all of it. So let's see at the end how much we are picking up of the embroidery, but that would be drawn later, after the base painting of the bow is entirely done. Only then I would be drawing the embroidered sections and paint over it, because anyways the bow color is lighter, and embroidery will be line work, like drawing lines, so we can't practically keep that much space. So we will be going over the lines later after we finish painting the base.